How to install Downloader on Samsung Smart Television. I'm going to tell you how to install Downloader on your Samsung Smart TV. Since Samsung Smart TVs run on Tizen OS instead of Android, the Downloader app isn't available in the built-in app store. But don't worry, because there are workarounds. One of the easiest ways is using a Fire Stick or an Android TV box where you can directly install the Downloader app from their respective app stores. If you want to sideload the apps, you can enable developer mode on your Samsung television and use a USB stick to transfer APK files from a personal computer. Another option is using a cloud service like Google Drive to upload APKs and access them from your TV's browser. If all else fails, screen mirroring from Android phone or tablet lets you run apps without installing them on the TV. So while Samsung Smart televisions don't officially support sideloading, these methods help you access the apps that you need.